Does your spider plant look like this? Yellow leaves, black tips, and dullness? All these are signs of overwatering and possibly root rot disease. Sitting in soggy soil is never fun for these plants. This one here is in our open nursery and we've been getting plenty of rain lately. That's why it is showing signs of overwatering and possibly root rot. So, what should you do to fix it? First step, stop watering the spider plant for a while until it recovers. If it does not heal within a week or two, move on to the second solution, which is removing the plant from its pot and placing its root ball on an old newspaper. This will help the root ball lose all the excess water. Next is to repot your spider plant in a new potting mix, but before you do that, inspect the roots to ensure they are not decaying. Finally, make sure the pot has drainage holes and that it is not too big for the plant. Otherwise, it will encourage waterlogging. Please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.